Yo, 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 what it do with y'all slimes? It's your boy Spirit D signing in with a quick video. I hope you guys are all living healthy, grateful, wealthy, and all of those other high vibrational traits. I hope you guys are all, happy, blessed, and just on that great high vibrational frequency. With all that being said, though, I'm gonna make this video real quick for y'all. I just wanted to give y'all a quick video and talk to y'all about this SeaMoss stuff. I just wanted to recommend it to you guys because, a lot of people around the world are starting to know about it. I've been using this for about 2 or 3 months now. 2, 3, 4 months, somewhere along those lines. And basically, I just wanted to give you guys my little take on it, and tell you guys about the benefits and let you guys know if it's worth your buying and shit like that. So with all that being said, let's get into it. All right, this is a SeaMoss right here. This is one of the little package looking joints, you know what I'm saying? So first things first, it's a lot of different types of SeaMosses out there, right? You want to make sure you're getting the healthy ones, the right ones, because people be selling that food shit too. But this right here that I'm showing you, this is the SeaMoss Light. This is the one, that's the one that you have to create. All right, so if you want to make that type of SeaMoss, or if you're a person that likes to put stuff in the blender and actually be creative and use your hands to make things and shit like that, this one's for you. It's gonna basically, I can't show you what it looks like right now because of course I used it, but it's basically just gonna be it looks like seaweed kind of from the beach and shit like that. Like, it's very simple to make it. You toss it in some water, you let it soak and sit in the water for a day, a whole day, and then you just toss that motherfucker in the blender, blend that joint up. You can put it in your applesauce, you can put it in your foods, drinks, all that. All right. Now, I'm over here telling y'all about this shit, and I ain't even tell y'all what the hell SeaMoss is and what the fuck it do for you. I'm tweaking. SeaMoss is like, it's a very healthy, I guess you could call it like a herb or herb, however they call that shit. I don't think they say herb, but it's like a herb. Those teas and stuff like that. See, guys, look, like I say, I be teaching shit, but I ain't fully 100% perfect in all fields of knowledge, right? Y'all see that I'm kind of shaky. But so with this SeaMoss, what this does is, it reduces inflammation. I'm gonna just read you guys all the benefits right here, and then I'm gonna tell you guys my parts of the benefits. It reduces inflammation. It boosts your immunity. It boosts your immunity. It supports thyroid balance. Okay, it supports thyroid balance. It detoxes and cleanses all throughout your system, throughout your body, all that. Detoxes and cleanses. It improves cognitive function. All right, and it's ideal for healthy skin. So anybody that heard all these things that I just mentioned, and you feel like these things right here is what you need, if you would like to increase or fix any of these fields that I just named, by all means get you some SeaMoss. Okay, like I said, it even shows you the directions on this joint. Rinse the SeaMoss I already told you guys, you soak it in the water, wooty woo. All right, but look, with all that being said, okay, I just wanted to let y'all know those are the benefits that they tell you guys that it comes with. It gets deeper than that. It's a trillion amounts of benefits with this SeaMoss, all right? Because you have to understand that first things first, this SeaMoss, this is a natural herb. This is a natural, this is like those over there. This is like them plants and trees and leaves over there. This shit is natural. This came from Mother Nature, from the earth, all right? This ain't nothing that people made and fucked with their hands. This ain't no man-made shit, okay? So, just like teas and all that type of stuff that helps and reduces blood pressure, high blood pressure and all that type of stuff, that's what this stuff does, all right? It's a lot of benefits. This also makes your hair grow faster. This makes your hair grow faster, okay? This makes your skin glow, all right? I know y'all been seeing me, you know? It's got my skin glowing. Like, watch all my previous videos in the past. You will see I've been eating this SeaMoss for months. So you'll see, you know, the transition between the glow of my face and shit like that. Like, all this stuff weighs in, all right? Now listen, if you're already a healthy person, if you're already a high vibrational person, if you're already a person that keeps your health up to balance and up to date, then this SeaMoss right here is nothing but an amplifier and an additional, you know, resource to what you be doing. Because if you already eat healthy, you know, and do your fasting, you know, and make sure you're not putting all these man-made crazy ass shits on your face and your skin and fucking your skin up. If you already taking care of yourself, then this, like I said, this ain't nothing but just a little additional help to you. This is basically gonna, if you already on 100% looking good and glowed and all that, you're gonna be on 110%. You know what I'm saying? So that's what this does. This also boosts your energy up. It gives you energy. It makes you want to do more things. You can run faster, all that type of shit. You get more motivation. You're more amped up to do things. All right? This ain't no drug, nigga. Well, yeah, this ain't no drug, okay? Like I said, this come from the trees. This come from the leaves. This come from the mother nature of earth. This is natural. All this is just all natural. You can put this stuff inside of your teas, your drinks, your coffees, your milkshakes, your smoothies. All right, however you are, your applesauce. I always eat mine in my applesauce. It even blends in. It looks just like it. All right, so I be putting it in my applesauce and just yumming on that shit. I'm gonna drop a video in the description of this. I'm gonna drop a link in the description of this video, and the link is gonna show you guys. And the video is only like 4 minutes, not even 5 full minutes. It's gonna show you guys. It's gonna be a lady on there teaching you how to make your SeaMoss if you're gonna get this kind. Okay, like I said, there's a lot of different kinds. They have SeaMosses where they already grinded it up for you and made it for you, so it's already soft and gooey, whatever, to where you don't even have to make it. It's already comes in a jar, whoopty-woo. You got to keep that joint refrigerated. Trust me, you'll see all the little details. You got to keep your SeaMoss refrigerated after it's made. Okay, if you're a person that likes to say fuck making it and you want to skip through all that, you know, making it and this and that, then you can just get you a jar. I started getting me the jars. Why? Because I don't like how mine comes out after I make it. I still be feeling little tiny little lumps in my stuff. All right. I still be feeling little tiny little lumps in my SeaMoss. So I don't make it anymore. I don't blend it no more. And it could just be my blender. All right. Like, I'm not trying to discourage anyone else from making it. Have your fun. But I had a cheap ass blender. That's what it was. So it probably was just that. All right. But like I said, it's 2 different types. It's a lot of different types of SeaMoss, but it's 2 different ways that it can come. It can come made already, or it can come non-made, and you have to make it yourself. All right. But I didn't want to run this video for too long. I just wanted to give y'all that brief description of what SeaMoss is and what it's about, and let you guys know that me, as a, you know, high vibrational, spiritual, multidimensional being that knows himself, you know, I will tell you guys that it's okay to eat SeaMoss and it's okay to drink SeaMoss. Yes, you need to be doing that. All right. I would prefer for you to do. I would recommend you to do it once every day. Some people do it twice a day. I do it once a day. All right. But with all that being said, it's your boy Spirit D signing out. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful, blessed grand rising, and stay vibing high, stay high vibrational. You know what I'm saying? Look, y'all, I feel good, man. This energy shift has just finally made me feel this relieved, dog. And I ain't even get nothing. I just feel it in my soul. Like, I feel good. But with all that being said, man, y'all have a blessed day. It's your boy Spirit D signing out. Love, love, love. Problems really finna melt. This shit do really get deep. Like, how the fuck was I so sleep? I'm glad I woke up, I can see. Cause now that I'm up, my mind is so free. I'll never let them get on me. I'll never sell my fucking soul. I meditate and I see how it go. Now I get why them people did me wrong. Just sit back and look at yourself in the mirror. Ask yourself, what is the purpose for here? Who made the money and who made the rules? The government steady promoting the fear. And why you ain't know when you sick, you do not gotta go to the doctor, there are the cures. And why you ain't know that we living in multi-dimensions, the only place is not here. You got a soul and the soul is immortal. Traveling time, it is real, I can show you. Them been in hell and I done been in heaven. The shit in your mind ain't fire, they welling. Anything that you do want is in you. Searching for sources that's outside of you. I'm trying to show you.